These cards show one of the manipulations where students learn to add a sound. Say the word sake. Children repeat sake. Now segment sake. 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 Now add t after the first one was s. Now so we will add t here. Now read the word. So first it was ache, sake. Now it is ache, steak. Say the word cash. Children repeat cash. Now segment cash. Sh, cash. Now add after k. So you add here. So now read the word ash, crash. Say the word sack. Children repeat sack. Segment sack. Sack. Now add after s. So we are adding in between s and a. So I add s, a, k, snack. Say the word bear. Children repeat bear. Segment bear. Bear. Add o after b in between here. So I add o here. Now read the word air, Blair. Say the word sake. Children repeat sake. Segment sake. Sake. Add in between s and a. So in between after s, I add here. Now snake. Say the word beat. Children repeat beat. Segment beat. Beat. Now add o in between b and e. So I add o right after b. And now read the word bleat. Say the word fought. Segment children repeat fought. Segment fought. Fought. Add o after a, not here, after a. So o here. Now read the word fault. Say the word mat. Children repeat mat. Segment mat. Mat. Add s after a. So here s is added after a. Now read the word mast. Say the word sap. Children repeat sap. Now segment sap. Sap. Add o after s. So I add o here. Slap. Say the word clap. Children repeat clap. Segment clap. Clap. Add s after a. So s after a. So now read the word k-o-a-s-p, clasp. Say the word cap. Children repeat cap. Segment cap. K-a-p, cap. Add o after k. Oh, sorry, after k. So k-o-a-p, clap. Say the word cane. Segment. Children repeat cane. Segment cane. K-a-n, cane. Add after k. K-a-n, crane. Here are the rest of the cards. Please send an email. I'll share them with you.